Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove or hide Marketplace from Facebook. Let's get started. First, let me explain something important. You cannot permanently delete Marketplace from Facebook, but don't worry, you can hide it so it does not show your screen anymore. First, open Facebook app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of your screen, tap on menu. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. Next, scroll down until you see shortcuts. Tap it. Now tap shortcut bar. This control the icon you see at the bottom of Facebook. Here you will see a list of icons like home, friends, watch, marketplace, find marketplace. Tap on marketplace, then choose icon. And that's it. Marketplace is now removed from your Facebook shortcut bar. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.